Hi guys, welcome in. Today, Happy New Year. We're painting on Procreate this super cute, super fun firework painting. So go ahead, load up your Procreate, grab your Apple Pencil or whatever pencil you have. Let's get started. You don't need any extra brushes for this. This is all done with default brushes you have and just colors that you can mimic or get close to here on your iPad. All right, let's get started. Go get started. The background is a painting. Ooh, a painting with a nice dark blue, darkish blue night, darkish blue gray night. Nice and soft. And then fades into a purpley color. Fades into a nice purpley color. Transitions to a bright pink color. There we go. Go take it all the way down. Take it down. Take it down if you want to. Smudge that so it's nice and smudgy. I think I'm on medium hard brush. Medium. Let's do soft brush and we'll change the size to about size 10. And fade it out. There you go. There's your night sky. Beautiful. Bloop, 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 bloop. And then from there we'll add our little scene for the city underneath. Just making some. Using my brush, the brush I'm on is the Spectra brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Boop. This is the city. And we'll go ahead and fill that in. So these are going to be my nice little buildings. This is all background. From there we'll add some soft windows. Get to my little square. Or not. That's so cute. All right, that's a good start. I'm gonna go back to this color and maybe let me give this guy a little banister here. Boom. And this guy has like a little tower on here. You can come watch the boop lights where he's at up there. And everyone's awake watching the fireworks. All right, let's go ahead and add another layer on top. It'll be our sweet little couple. I'm gonna bring it down to my darkish, almost black purple. And we'll start with sketching her head. That's just a shadow. Her head's gonna come down. She's got long hair. Again, just the shadow of her. And this is his collar, going down to his shoulders. Nice and broad shoulders. And this is the back of his head. Boom, 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 boom. You can see his ears. All right, now we'll go ahead and fill that in a little. I'm gonna change my brush size a little bit larger to fill a little faster. And this couple is watching the fireworks. And then from there, I'll add his little hand on her shoulder. Get your hand on my shoulder. and they're having a good time. And then I'll go ahead and add a layer in front of the couple, and I'll add a soft purple haze around them. So I'll go ahead and add go to my brush, go to my painting. Whoop. Is it my brush? Where are you? Here we go. My soft brush, and we're going to add a soft haze around. That's too big. Just a soft haze around them as they watch the fireworks. Boom, here they go. Gentle haze, that's so cute. And from there, we'll go ahead and do our like photography dots, and then we'll add the fireworks. So go ahead and let's change the opacity of this layer down a little bit. It's a little too bright for me. I'm going to bring it down to 40, 36. And this layer will be on top, the new layer I just added. And we'll add our little photography dots. Do you know those little dots? I don't really know how to explain it. They look like you took a picture of something. Yeah, like that. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna make them big. Change the opacity down to about 30. And that's what I'm talking about. They look like little photography dots. Oops. And I'm just gonna tap with my finger. Tap, tap, tap. Change the size down. A little tap here. A little soft tap there. Here, change the sizes. Yeah, make them some big ones. Down. All right. And then I'm going to add some soft dots. Let's go to our, where is my soft brush? Boom. And we'll add some soft dots too, doing the same kind of boop, boop. And see, like when I soft dot it, adds like a haze. Okay, so I've got a few soft dots in here. Just adding all the dots, keeping it close to where the fireworks will be here at center. All right, don't worry, we're gonna do some more soft dots. You'll see, because I'm gonna add some, boop, some more stars in the back too. So let's go ahead and draw our top layer to our fireworks. The fireworks, typically this one's gonna be white. Go to my classic top left corner is my absolute white. And from here, I'm gonna have some pew, oops, not that one. Classic white, go to my hard blend, change my, oops, thing down to about size 1. And then this corner is gonna have our little soft firework. there's your first firework. Oh, cute, they're enjoying that firework. It's so cute. All right, and then over here, we're gonna add a little yellow one because fireworks are also yellow. Boop. Maybe like a brighter yellow. And the wappy over here, a little turn. This one's gonna be like a falling. Falling, 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 fall, falling, 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 falling in your eyes, falling in your lap. Yeah, so you just want gravity to win this firework. It's falling, and you're like, ugh. You can add some dots here, some that erupted early. And you can start fading the dots out, and it is pressure, so I add a little pressure and I come out soft. Little pressure, come out soft. All right, there's your other firework. And from there, let's do a big one. Going back to my white, let's do a reddish one. So like a pink. It's coming here, and it will be pew, 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 pew. And then this one will go pew, 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 pew. And this will go pew, 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 pew. And then pew, 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 pew. You guys like my sound effects? Pew, 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 pew. It's like a spider one. We'll call that the spider firework. Pew, 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 pew. And then pew. And then add a pew. And a pew. These are my fireworks shooting up. Make sure we deepen that one. Shooting up fireworks. That's about 10. One shooting up here. Okay, I'm not gonna say it, but it does look kind of something else, like something else. All right, let's keep this bundle here. And then this one, we're gonna have a little firework here. It's gonna be lines, keeping it that same pink color. Boop, 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 boop. Just shooting out of the center of this. Really keeping it nice and simple. There you go. That's 2 fireworks. I'm gonna do one more of those over here. So we'll go ahead and change it back to white. Sorry, not palette, disc. Back to my white. We'll do one more of those over here. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But it's not gonna be as big as that one. And like it's fading out. Uh-oh, what's that? Make a small eraser. I don't know what that is. Boom. It's like shooting out of this firework. Then I turn and shoot it out. I turn and shoot it out. 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 It's so, and it's the beginning of the year. Oh, that's so cute. So we added more of that firework, and then we're going to finalize with a few stars, the glowing stars. So we'll go to, now one more layer on top, go to my soft yellow. I'm gonna keep the brush I have, and I'm going to make this. Boop. You guys will see, I'll do a little tap, tap, tap. And one here. So it's just a plus sign, and then you can curve in the middle like that. Or you can go swoop, swoop, swoop. I'm gonna make this a little smaller. Swoop, swoop, swoop. There we go. There we go. Boop. So it's a little bit more defined when you do it that way. Swoop, swoop, swoop. Drag to fill. Swoop, swoop, swoop. This was a little small one. Drag to fill. Drag to fill. Well, I guess it's so small I could just fill it with my hand. Yes, yes. A little swoop, swoop, swoop. Boop. Whoa. Not was I anticipating. And we're finalizing this painting. Whoa, too big. Just want to say to you guys, Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching. We're almost done. You can draw this too. All these brushes I use are stock. None of them are new in any way, shape. I'm gonna add a little do star here. All right, a few dot stars. Just a soft, you can use your finger, you'll get that softer touch. Yeah, letting the night sky light up. Oops, not that swirly one right there. Let the night sky light up with stars. Maybe add your favorite constellation in here. Boom, 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 boom. If you know what the Little and the Big Dipper look like, you can add that in. Just letting the night sky. I'm using my finger because it's a softer touch than the pinpoint of the Apple Pencil. Do you see like how gentle it looks? There you go. And then now I'm gonna go back with my final touch here. Soft brush with my little bit white, and I'm going to tap too big, size, yeah, there we go, size 3, and give it that soft glow. Tap, 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 tap. You can even tap off of it if you want, tap, tap. And it gives it that nice, sweet, cute little glow. Tap, 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 tap. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Happy New Year to you and yours. I really wish you and yours health and wealth in this new year up and coming. We are all done. Thank you for watching. And Happy New Year. We'll see you in the next video. First painting of 2024. I hope you guys like it. Happy New Year's, y'all.